I've been getting a lot of questions on how I make my animation TikToks, so here are your answers. The two main questions that I get asked are what app or program do I use and who is the other person dancing with me? I'm going to be answering both of those questions for you guys. The two apps I use for my animations are Flip-a-Clip and Video Leap. Here's a quick rundown of what I do. So I film the videos twice. The first time is me dancing it and the second time is also me dancing it but as the other person, if that makes sense. I'm exposing myself. So on one clip I'm Aditi and then on the other clip I'm Bokto. After I film those two videos, I import them into Video Leap and then adjust the size of the videos because I'm small and my partner is most likely taller than me. After that, I import that video into Flip-a-Clip, start animating, and once I'm done, I put the animation back into Video Leap so then I can make my transition and then I post it to TikTok. And there you go.